Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the live captions in the Windows 11. So here I've already on the desktop. If you want to find the live caption settings, you can just click on this window button at your taskbar, go to the Windows settings, and then here just click on the accessibility options, and in here you can just scroll down, and under the hearing section there will be caption. So just tap on that, and this is the live captions that I'm talking about. So it will make your device easier to use without sound by displaying audio as text. So you can see that this one is currently off. You can just click on this to turn it on. Okay, tap on I agree in here. So now audio and video will be captioned in real time and appear on your screen. So by selecting I agree, you agree to follow Microsoft to process your voice data locally on your device. Just close it, and here you can also click on the Windows logo key on your keyboard, Control and L to turn the live captions on. So by turning on the live captions, it will download the live caption language file, but the voice data will be processed locally and your data isn't shared to the cloud. So here you can also change the caption style. Here, for example, I'm going to go with white on black. Let's see, this is the preview. Small caps, large text, or yellow on blue. So I'm going to just use this white on black, I think. And you can also edit it again. If you want to, you can change the text color, opacity, the size, the font, background, and also the window. I'm going to just change the font. Let's try the cursive. Not that one. Casual, mono sans. Okay, I'm going to just use this one, and you can just go back, and the setting will be saved automatically. So when you watch a video or hear an audio, there will be these captions on live. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.